suicide was the leading cause for over 300 non-coronavirus deaths reported in India due to distress triggered by the nationwide lockdown, revealed a new set of data compiled by a group of researchers. According to WHO, close to 8 lakh people die due to suicide every year, which is one person every 40 seconds. Suicide is a global phenomenon and occurs throughout the lifespan. According to the data, in this pandemic, 80 people killed themselves due to loneliness and fear of being tested positive for the virus. The suicides are followed by migrants dying in the accidents on their way back home, deaths associated with withdrawal symptoms, and those related to starvation and financial distress. There have been a staggering number of suicides caused by fear of infection, loneliness, lack of freedom of movement, and alcohol withdrawal during the lockdown. India is a vast country with a population of 1.37 billion. China has 1.42 billion. Together, their populations add to nearly 40% of people alive today. If we accept the World Health Organization estimates of suicide rates in the 194 member states, India and China account for 40% or more of the 8 lakh annual suicide deaths globally. Southeast Asia has been referred to as the front line for delivering on the aspirational sustainable development goal of a one-third reduction in the suicide death rate by 2030, with 18% of the world population living in India. Addressing suicides in India, the WHO states that about one-third of its member states provide high-quality suicide data. It will be important to examine the accuracy and reliability of suicide data from India and China in particular, since the results from these mega nations will strongly affect conclusions about global suicide rates and factors that influence them. India's National Crime Records Bureau has published yearly reports on suicides since 1967 in the states and Delhi and the Union Territories. Their reports showed an increased suicide rate per 1 lakh of the total population from 6.3 in 1978 to 8.9 in 1990. The reported rate then fluctuated, rising between 2006 and 2011 when it reached 11.2. NCRB, in their report on suicides, tabled and analysis of identified causes of suicide according to the age group of the descendants. Dowry-related issues 8%, other marriage-related issues 7%, love affairs 6%, and family problem 32% were thought to explain a majority of cases of suicide of females aged 16 to 29 years, while illness other than mental illness was believed to account for the suicides of 25% of both men and women aged 60 years or more. Social isolation or distancing induce a lot of anxiety in many citizens of different countries. However, the most vulnerable are those with existing mental health issues like depression and older adults living in loneliness and isolation. Such people are self-judgmental, have extreme suicidal thoughts.
Thanks for watching Rebel News India. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.